Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. God bless you. God is giving me this opportunity to help you in many ways. So you are a new driver, got your PCO license. Congratulations, and you want to work with Uber. So watch my other Uber video. This video is about the Bolt, how to do the first job as a Bolt driver. So to register, I'm going to speak about quickly, but this video is about how to do the first job. Download the Bolt driver app, then start uploading the document, your PCO license. The Bolt need a car as well, means you must have a car. Then you can upload all the documents, PHV license. Then if you are new, it's the first time, then they will video call you before they can activate your account. So after video call, then they will activate your account. So how to, then a lot of people confuse how to do the first job, so I'm going to show you here. So when you go to Bolt driver, should look like this. It means, look, you can go online. Before go online, you can do a little bit navigation setting. If you go on 3 lines over here, then you can go to setting and go to navigation, select default navigation. Then you can select Google or Waze, up to you which one you like it. Okay, so now we're gonna go online. So let's see if we're gonna get the job. So when you go online, you can do more setting, like this categories. So whatever the car you have, a Bolt priority, comfort. If it's executive car, you should have an option. But if you have any Prius, then they will show you Bolt and Bolt priority. If it's comfort car, it will show you. Means in these categories, the price are different. In executive, business, comfort, you can earn extra money, but you will get more Bolt job. Okay, so pickup distance you can select as well. Means you want to pick in 1.5 mile, is 0.6 mile, means near. You want to get the picking point. So I just want to show you how this works. That's why I will do this 1.2. No, because I select the categories only executive, that's why I'm not getting the job. If you want to do auto accept, you can select. Then when the job come, they will give you straight away. You just start, then go to the customer. You can see the offer. So if you go to the offer, then Matrix IQ here, this is like a CCTV camera, you can put it, and this is very good because a lot of customer, they do false claims. Then you can show to Bolt or Uber as well. So if you want to claim, you can, and I think you have to pay some money. So let's go online, and so let's change the categories to all, comfort, Bolt. Let's see if we can get the job. Let's see how it look like. Today is Saturday, must be busy. Hope so we're gonna get the job, but depending on which area you are now. And this is red things showing that is very busy. So sometimes if it's not busy, you can move around to get the job as well. And there's one other good option. When you finish, then you can tips, you can select the navigation. If you want to go home, then you can select the navigation. Then this will give you the job which is near to your home. So means you will reach home and you make the money as well. Let's see if we can get the job. Job is coming. So just yeah, accept it. Now I'm gonna accept it. So when you click, look, we say G is Google Map. Just you start driving there. So when you go close to the customer, just you open the Bolt, you see the customer as well, and the app will say you arrived there. Let's go there. So I just arrived to customer place. So when the customer leave, then you can go to the Bolt driver app, just say end the trip. So means you finish, then it will show you the confirm price. Just confirm price. And if you want to give the customer comments, 5 star, it was good, I'm going to give him 5 star. So I was receiving more jobs as well, but I just want to show you how this works. So that was first job. It was very simple, not hard. Yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you good luck for your first job and future jobs as well. Make good money and take care of your family as well. Thank you so much.